Review 1 and 2, Lesson 8A. We're combining like terms and we're getting coefficients over to the other side and we're just solving here. So take a screenshot and follow along with me. Number 1, x plus 15x plus 8 equals 40. So I want to first combine my like terms. 1x plus 15x is 16x plus 8 equals 40. Now I want to get my unknown alone. So I'm going to undo PEMDAS when I solve. We go backward in PEMDAS. So first we're going to undo this addition by its partner, subtraction, minus 8. Now I only have a 16 attached to the x. It's attached by multiplication, move it by its partner, division. My x is alone, so I'm done. Now I can reduce this. 40 minus 8 is 32 over 16, which is 2. Number 2, 15x plus 4 minus x equals 32. I want to get my unknowns together. I have 15x minus 1x, which is 14x, plus 4 equals 32. Now the 4 is attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. The 14 is attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. I'm getting x equals 32 minus 4 is 28 over 14, which is 2. 12x minus x plus 11 equals 44. First, I'm going to combine my x's. 12x minus 1x is 11x plus 11 equals 44. Now I'm going to get x alone. The 11 is attached by addition, move it by subtraction. And this 11 is attached to the x by multiplication, move it by division. My x is alone. So now I do the arithmetic. 44 minus 11 is 33 over 11, which is 3. Number 4, 12 equals 7x minus 2x minus 8. So my x's are on the right side of my equal sign. I'm going to combine the like terms. I'll write this 12 here to keep everything lined up. 7x minus 2x is 5x minus 8. I still want to get x alone. 8's attached by subtraction, move it by addition. 5's attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 8 plus 12 is 20 over 5, which is equal to 4. Number 5, 8x minus x plus 7 equals 35. Combine my like terms. 8 minus 1 is 7x's plus 7 equals 35. The 7's attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. The 7's attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. I'm getting x equals 35 minus 7 is 28. 28 over 7 is 4. Number 6, 2000 equals 800x plus 20x plus 10. So first I'm going to combine my like terms. 800 plus 20 is 820 x's plus 10. This equals 2,000. Now I want to get the x alone. 10's attached by addition, move it by subtraction. And 820 is attached by multiplication, move it by division. We've got big numbers here, but the steps are always exactly the same. 200 minus 10 is 1,990 over 820. These zeros on the end can reduce away because I can divide this by 10 and this by 10. And I'm going to leave my answer as 199 over 82 equals x. Number 7, 23x minus 5x minus 18 equals 9. First, let's combine these like terms. 23 minus 5 is 18x minus 18 equals 9. This 18 is attached by subtraction, move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign. And now this 18 is attached to my x, which I want to get alone, by multiplication. Move it by its partner, division. My x is alone, which means I'm done, but now I can clean this up. 9 plus 18 is 27 over 18. I will reduce this one. 27 is the same as 9 times 3. 18 is the same as 9 times 2. 9 divided by 9 gives me 1, and I get 3 halves. And I do this reducing on the fractions playlist. Number 8, x plus x plus x equals 12. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 x's equals 12. Now I want to get x alone. 3 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. I'm getting x equals 4. Number 9. 22 equals 1x plus 2x plus 22. Combine my like terms. I have 3 x's here plus 22 equals 22. I want to get the x alone. This 22 is attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting 0 equals 3x. Divide by 3, and I'm still getting 0 equals x. Number 10. 3x plus 3x minus 6x plus 2 equals 17. 3 plus 3 is 6. Minus 6 is 0 x's plus 2 equals 17, which is essentially saying 2 is equal to 17, which is false. So if your unknown goes away and you're left with a false statement, that means no solution. Review 2, Lesson 8A. Take a screenshot and follow along with me. Number 1, 5x plus 6x plus 23 equals 34. 5 plus 6 is 11 x's plus 23 equals 34. This 23 is attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. This 11 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. My x is alone, which means I'm done, but I'd like to reduce it. 34 minus 23 is 11 over 11, which is 1. Number 2, 5x plus x minus 15 equals 10. First, let's combine like terms. 5x plus x is 6x minus 15 equals 10. Now, this 15 is attached by subtraction to the x. I'll move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign because I'm trying to get everything away from this x. Now, the 6 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division. And I'm getting x equals 10 plus 15 is 25 over 6. I'm going to turn this one into a mixed number. 6 into 25 is 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. When I minus this, I get 1. 4 and 1/6. The remainder goes over what you divided by. 4 and 1/6. Number 3, 6x minus 5x plus 14 equals 46. Let's combine our like terms. 6x's minus 5x's leaves 1x plus 14 equals 46. This 14 is attached to my unknown by addition, so I'll move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 46 minus 14 is 32. Number 4, 7x plus x minus 24 equals 56. Let's combine these x's. I have 7 plus 1 is 8 x's minus 24 equals 56. Let's get this x alone. 24 is attached by subtraction. Move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign. And then 8 is attached by multiplication to the x. So I divide it. Am I moving quickly? I am, because there's a flow to these. And as you start getting the flow, to slow down actually kind of might confuse you again. So here's the x, here's the equal sign, 56 plus 24. 6 plus 4 is 0, put up the 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 80 over 8, which is 10. Number 5, 34 equals 18x minus 4x minus 8. So there's nothing to combine on this side. 18 minus 4 is 14x minus 8. Now I want to get the x alone. 8's attached by subtraction. Move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign. 14's attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. My x is alone. 8 plus 34. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm getting 42 over 14. And I know that actually reduces to 3. Number 6, 44x plus 44x plus 1 equals 89. 44x plus 44x gives me 88 x's plus 1 equals 89. Keep your eye on the prize. You want to get the x alone. 1's attached by addition. Move it by subtraction. Now I have 88 times x. This has to move by division to the other side of the equal sign. My x is alone, and now I can clean up this arithmetic. 89 minus 1 is 88. Over 88 equals 1. Number 7, x plus 2x minus 2 equals 30. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4 x's, minus 2 equals 30. Now I want to get the x alone. 2 is attached by subtraction, move it by addition. 4 is attached by multiplication to the x, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 30 plus 2 is 32 over 4, which is 8. Number 8, x minus x plus x minus x plus 9 equals 12. So we always combine from left to right. We do our addition. 1 minus 1 is 0 x's. Plus 1 is 1 x. Minus x is 0 x's. So I'm getting 9 equals 12. As you see, my x's went away, and I'm left with an untrue statement. So when your unknown goes away and you're left with an untrue statement, then it is false, and you have no solution. Number 9, 11 equals 2x plus 3x plus 11. So I'm going to combine these. 2x's plus 3x's is 5x's plus 11 equals 11. Now I want to get x alone. 11's attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And now the 5's attached to x by multiplication, move it by division. Kind of ugly. And I'm getting x equals 11 minus 11 is 0 over 5, which is simply 0. Number 10, x plus 12x minus 12x minus 8 equals 11. Okay, so x plus 12 is 13x, minus 12x leaves me 1x, minus 8 equals 11. I'm going to add the 8, and I'm done. X equals 19. Move on to lesson 9A if you want to continue solving and combining like terms with a little bit more complexity. Thanks for being here.